Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to compare Amazon Flex versus Evri. Which platform is better in this year? Delivery services are one of the most important part of how people receive packages today. So many companies are giving flexible work opportunities to drivers while also focusing on fast and reliable delivery. Two services that often get compared are Amazon Flex and Evri. While both deals with deliveries, they offer very different experiences for workers and customers. So, Amazon Flex is a program by Amazon that allows people to earn money by delivering packages using their own cars. The main appeal of Amazon Flex is flexibility. Drivers can choose their own delivery blocks, which means they can decide when and how much they want to work. Payments are usually clear and sent quickly, and the drivers know how much they will make before accepting a shift. The system works well for people who want an extra income on a part-time basis. However, some delivery says that routes can sometimes be challenging and not always as quick as expected. But still, for those who want a freedom and side income, Amazon Flex is a solid choice in this year. Every, on the other hand, was a previous known as Hermes, is another well-known delivery company in the UK. So Every offers both courier jobs and parcel services for customers. It is popular because it provides affordable delivery options and serves many areas. For drivers, Every can provide more regular work compared to gig-style platforms. However, some workers mention that the pay can be lower compared to Amazon Flex, and the workload can be demanding. From a customer point of view, Every is known for low-cost shipping, but reviews can be mixed when it comes to delivery times and package handling. So overall, Amazon Flex is best for people who want a flexible, part-time delivery work with control over their schedule, while Every is better for those who want steady delivery jobs and affordable parcel services. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.